Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
The median per serving amount of X is dash. So by the way, substance, very nice. Substance X is used in how many commercially available food products? 400. But out of those 400, the graph only depicts how many? 10, which have the greatest per serving amount of substance X. So which means per serving, basically food product A has how many mg? 1.6 mg of substance X, right? 1.6. Correct? So then essentially if we were to arrange the amount of X used in 400 commercially food products in a descending sequence, then it would be what? 1.6, 1.4, almost 1.4, 1.3, correct? So by 1.3, I'm basically talking about this. Then 1, right? 1 is this. Sorry, this one, 1, correct? Then again 1, then 0.9, and so on till 400 food product, correct? So now we have to talk about median. So since there are a total of 400, going back to this, right? These are 400 entries. So what will be the median, by the way? Technically, the 200th plus 201 divided by 2. Correct? So now notice clearly. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I am taking all the 400. It is only talking about the median for 10. Yes. Thanks for correcting me. Thanks for correcting me. So let's actually do that then. So let's actually 10 we can manage. So 10 we can manage. All right. Okay. So we've reached where? We've reached 0.9. 0.9 was this one. All right. Then this one is how much? 1.1 we've skipped, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
After 1.3, it would be 1.1.
Okay. 1.1. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.9. And then again, no, almost 0.8, right? 0.8 and then 0.7. Correct? All right. So now it says, so there are total of 10, which means now the median will be 5th plus 6 divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. All right. 5th plus 6th divided by 2, which obviously would be lesser than 1.1. Another way would be, since we know it is T5 plus T6 divided by 2, if we look at directly 5, notice this 5, 5th is E. Okay, all right. So this is 5th, correct? Which is 1.1. Since 5th is 1.1 and 6th obviously is lesser than 1.1, so which means the average of these two will be lesser than 1.1. All right. This is talking about all. Okay, all right. All means all 400. The average. The average per serving amount. So again, what are we? Yes, guys. Can you tell me the answer?
Less than.
All right. So notice again 400. Right here we have to take all 400. So let's have that. 1.6 is the first one. Second one is 1.4. Third one is almost again 1.4, and so on. All right, and so on. And then 10th one will be how much? 0.7, right? 0.7, 10th one, correct? After that, how many more entries will come? 390, correct? Those 390 entries will be lesser than 0.7. No, sorry, yeah, lesser than 0.7.
Yeah.
Correct, correct. Now, technically, how do we find out the mean, by the way? But the way we find out mean is 1.6 plus 1.4 plus 1.4 plus and so on till the t 400th value divided by 400, right? That's how we find out the mean. But again, the concept of weighted average will come into picture. If you look at this, out of a total of 400 entries, 390 entries are lesser than 0.7. Guys, are you with me? Right? Out of 400 entries, 390 entries are lesser than 0.7. So clearly the average would also, average for all 400 would also be lesser than 0.8.